What do you think that cloud looks like? I think the cloud looks like a tennis ball. Well, I think it looks like a golf ball. Tennis ball, golf ball, tennis ball, ball. Oh my oxygen. Rocky has some serious vomiting issues. Yeah, but when he has to barf, he knows exactly where to care. Guys, why do you slap each other? It's pointless. He's a jerk. Hey, what is that speaker machine doing here?
I'm here to remind you that your team, another name, lost. Let's go to the cake and steak place to see who'll be eliminated. The two of you with the most votes will leave the team. One will join the cherries, the other will be eliminated. Golf ball and fiery, you each have a win token. Would you like to use it now? Remember, if you use it, half of your votes will not count.
I won't use it, but I will.
Out of the total 37 votes, tennis ball is 72 votes.
Yay! But don't I also get some cake?
The cake was too expensive, so we'll pretend. Here's an imaginary slice of cake. Fiery is safe at 3 votes.
Yeah!
And Bloody is safe at 5 votes.
Yeah!
Golf ball and Rocky got 12 and 15 votes respectively. Even with your 1 token, golf ball still in the top 2.
With the slappers.
Golf ball and Lucky. The switching charities will either vote you onto their team or to be eliminated.
So now, well, you know we're going. Jimmy is just a no-no. I see that. Because Golf sounds like a boy, even though she's a girl, and that's just wrong.
I say Mark, because Golf is a bossy boy.
I say like Rocky because I am not a big fan of dimples.
I say Rocky because Jimmy said my brain is cool.
Well, I say one, and so I'll say Rocky too.
Goodbye, golf ball, or GB for short.
Yeah, that's so now my chances of winning went from 7.143% to 0.0000%.
It's narrowed down to 13 contestants. What makers doesn't?
I wonder where the new stairs lead.
Well, in order for the next contest to start, all of you must climb them.
I think this is the top.
So, now that you're all up here except for that clumsy tennis ball, I want you to tie these balloons around your waist. Now that you're done, would you like to see a magic trick?
Yeah, I love magic tricks. Do it.
Okay, here I go. Poof. So the 11th contest is to try to stay up in the air. Last team standing wins.
Well, this should be easy.
Oh yeah, over there is a basket of nails to throw at others. Help yourself and begin.
Okay, I say we go for the cherries. With 7 people, they're a bigger threat.
Okay,
It just doesn't feel right. No, that's because you have to pull tight. Hi, TV.
What was that for? The balloons were pink. Pink is too girly. I would disagree. I think pink is quite manly. But our team color is red. Should our balloons be red, not pink?
Well, red balloons were too expensive.
Oh, you're not here too. Let me throw down the coiny. The jerk.
Please, watch out.
Yeah. Oh, I'm an ice cold killer.
Die, Coiny.
Oh, this basket will protect me.
The names lose again.
So how do we pull up without nails?
Oh, we might. I'm gonna try what the talking mailbox did. Poof.
Yeah, we won.
So the grapes won, the cherries got number 2, and the names lost again. Voters, vote off either Fiery, Quinny, or Tennis Ball. The 2 with the most votes will leave the team. 1 will join the grapes.
Maybe we should go down now.